Dr. M. Kavitha, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of History, the Standard Fireworks Rajarathinam College for Women, Sivagasi. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of the rulers of Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas. The main objectives of the study is to know about the different rulers of three dynasties in the Sangam age, namely Chera dynasty, Chola and Pandyas. In Chera dynasty, the important rulers were Udayan Cheraladan and Kadal Pirakottiya Chenguttuvan. In Chola dynasty, we discuss about contribution of Karikala Chola. Then Pandya dynasty, we discussed on Nedunchiliyan. First Chera dynasty. Chera dynasty, Chenguttuvan was the very important ruler of Chera dynasty. He was the son and successor of Imayavarman and Narchonai. Silappadigaram says that Kajabahu, he was the king of Silan. He visited Chenguttuvan territory to arranged the festival by Chenguttuvan to honor of Kannagi. So the Kajabahu was belonged to 173 and 191 AD. According to these sources, we predicted on burning of Madurai by Kannagi in 171 AD. Next, Cheran Chenguttuvan, he was the great Chera king of 2nd century AD. During his period, two important Sangam age literary works, that is Paditru and Akanarunuru, mentioned the wealthy information about Cheran Chenguttuvan. Another important thing is Silappadigaram mentioned that Cheran's military exploits in Tamil country. According to this work, he led an expedition to the Himalayan mountains and he defeated his enemies across the Ganges and raised the Chera flag on the Himalayas. During his reign, his kingdom was expanded all the way to Kerala, and due to his great valor, the kings in his neighboring kingdom showed him the proper respect and moved with him in a friendly manner. Next, Cheran Chenguttuvan, called as Kadal Pirakottiya Chenguttuvan, his contribution was enlarged by Chera dynasty. The Kadambas, aided by the Yavanas, launched a sea attack on Kuntuvan, but the Chera ruler Cheran Chenguttuvan defeated them in the battle of Idambil in Valayur. The Chera territory included Kollimalai near Karur Vanchi in the east, Tondi and Mandai on the western coast during his reign. Then Cheran Chenguttuvan was successfully involved in the Chola territory, that is the succession dispute between Cholas and Cheras, and installed his relative, that is brother-in-law, Killi came to power in Chola territory. The Chenguttuvan was the great Chera king. He was popular ruler during that time. He was also known as Kadal Pirakottiya Kuttuvan. Why he was known as Kadal Pirakottiya Chenguttuvan? Because he defeated the Kadambas and Yavanas. They were the Greek or Roman mariners. Then Paditru and Akananuru, two important Sangam literary works, contain wealth of information about him. Next, Chola dynasty. Chola dynasty, Karikala Cholan was important ruler during that period. The Paditru Palai, that is the Sangam literary works, portrays his life and military conquest. Many Sangam poems mention the Battle of Venni, where he defeated the confederacy of Cheras, Pandyas and 11 minor chieftains. Karikala's military achievements made him the overlord of the whole Tamil region of that time. At the same time, during his period, trade and commerce was flourished. Then another important aspect of Karikala Chola was he founded the port city of Puhar, that was identical with Kaveri Pattinam, which was constructed 160 km of embankment along the Kaveri river which was built with a labor of 12,000 slaves who were brought as captives from Sri Lanka. It was the great center of trade and commerce. So, the major victory at Vagai Parandalai was credited to his cap, in which several chieftains lost their umbrellas, which was mentioned in Sangam literature. Next, Pandyas. In that Pandyas, Pal Yagasalai Mudukudumbi Peruvaludi, he was also a very important ruler in Pandya country. He was the first historical figure. Then Purananur refers to him as a great conqueror and patron of poets. Why he was called as Pal Yagasalai Mudukudumbi Peruvaludi? Because he performed many Vedic sacrifices, so that is why he called the title Pal Yagasalai. Then another important information, the Velvikudi inscription state that he donated the village to a Brahmin called as Korkai Kilan. Then Arya Padai Kadanda Nedunjaliyan. He was also a famous Pandya ruler during the Sangam period. He defeated the Aryans, that is why he called as Arya Padai Kadanda Nedunjaliyan. According to Silappadigaram, he was the Pandya ruler who ordered the execution of Kovalan. So, when Kannagi proved the innocence of her husband, the king realized his mistake and died on the throne out of stock. So, the first Pandyan king mentioned the Sangam works recovered so far is Nedunjaliyan I, who ruled from Korkai. Korkai became the coastal town at the mouth of Tamarabarani river. Next, Talayalanganathu Cheruvendra Nedunjaliyan. He was also an important ruler of the Pandya country. He acquired territories from other chieftains also. Then he became throne at a very young age. He defeated the confederacy of Cheras, Cholas and 5 other chieftains in the battle of Talayalanganam. That is why he called as Talayalanganathu Cheruvendra Nedunjaliyan. Another important aspect, he was a great scholar. At the same time, he gave importance to scholars in his court. The Nedunal Vadai and Mullai Pattu were sung in praise of him. Next, in the Cheras ruled over the parts of modern Kerala. Their capital was Vanchi. Their important seaports were Tondi and Mushri. Cheran Chenguttuvan belonged to 2nd century AD. His younger brother was Ilango Adigal. He was the author of Silappadigaram. Next, Cholas. The Chola kingdom of the Sangam period extended from modern Tiruchi district to southern Andhra Pradesh. Their capital was located at Urayur, then shifted to Puhar. The Pandyas ruled over present day southern Tamil Nadu. Their capital was Madurai. Then Madurai Kanchi was written by Mankudi Marudanar, describes the socio-economic conditions of Pandya country, including the flourishing seaport that is a trade center of Korkai. The Pandyan rule during the Sangam age began to decline due to the invasion of Kalabiras. Another important thing is each of the Sangam dynasties had a royal emblem such as carp for the Pandyas, tiger for the Cholas and bow for the Cheras. To conclude, Tamil country was ruled by 3 dynasties, namely Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas in the Sangam age. These 3 dynasties' political aspects came through the literary sources of Sangam period. Thank you.